Speaking about Bollywood celebrities, one name that's been ringing since late last night when India Today brought you one of the biggest exclusives in our coverage so far on the Sushant Singh Rajput case is a set of WhatsApp messages that were exchanged between Rhea Chakravarti and filmmaker Mahesh Bhatt. We've accessed what could be an all-new angle in this particular case. June the 8th, WhatsApp chat between Rhea Chakravarti and Mahesh Bhatt, the day that Rhea Chakravarti left Sushant Singh Rajput's house. Remember, she says Sushant asked her to leave. Now watch these messages.
Filmmaker Mahesh Bhatt is now at the center of the Sushant Singh Rajput mystery. His role is now under scanner, adding an all-new twist to the saga. A twist that changes everything in the probe so far. 4 pages of cryptic WhatsApp chats between Rhea Chakrabarti and Mahesh Bhatt, accessed by India Today, suggest that Rhea left Sushant of her own will and perhaps on Mahesh Bhatt's suggestion. The conversations took place between 7:43 p.m. to 8:09 p.m. At 7:43 p.m., Rhea texted Bhatt to say, "Aisha moves on, sir," with a heavy heart and sense of relief. "Our last call was a wake-up call. You are my angel. You are then and you are now." To which the filmmaker replied at 7:50 p.m. to say, "Don't look back. Make it possible what is inevitable." Why did Rhea feel a sense of relief on leaving Sushant? What prompted Mahesh Bhatt to get involved in the Rhea-Sushant relationship?
She sent a message through WhatsApp to filmmaker Mahesh Bhatt and said, "Aisha has moved on," with a heavy heart but a sense of relief. These messages were sent to Mahesh Bhatt by Rhea Chakrabarti on June 8th itself. Aisha is the name of the character that Rhea Chakrabarti had portrayed in a 2018 film that was produced by Mahesh Bhatt.
The WhatsApp conversation then moves on to Rhea's father. Mahesh Bhatt says, "My love to your father, he will be a happy man." To which Rhea replies, "Have found courage, sir. And what you said about my dad that day on the phone pushed me to be strong for him. He sends you love and thank you for always being so special." Bhatt then responds to Rhea by calling her his child and says that he feels light. Rhea texts back saying, "No words, sir. Just a full heart, but the best emotions I feel for you." Mahesh Bhatt then thanks Rhea for being brave. The Rhea-Mahesh Bhatt conversation that had already lasted for 20 minutes then proceeds with Rhea thanking the filmmaker. She calls a meeting with Bhatt Destiny and says that their paths met for this day. Rhea then tells Bhatt that she feels a deep impact of his unconditional love, to which he responds by saying, "If I am of no use to you, my existence is worthless." Rhea then thanks Mahesh Bhatt of unclipping her wings. What is it that Rhea was seeking freedom from? What happened on the 8th of June? Did Mahesh Bhatt push Rhea Chakravarti away from Sushant Singh Rajput just 6 days before his death? What follows in the Rhea-Mahesh Bhatt chats next is a series of exchange with emojis. Bhatt then wishes Rhea happy birthday and Rhea says that she's smiling from year to year and that she will make him proud. Mahesh Bhatt acknowledges and lauds Rhea's guts and tells her again to not look back. So what exactly happened on the 8th of June? Did Rhea leave Sushant Singh Rajput 6 days before his death on her own? Or as claimed by Rhea in a statement, she left because Sushant asked her to do so? 2 versions of one day. What is the truth? Bureau Report, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.